We are off and running today with Tim Biggam of Options Insider, here to talk about the trader rundown, what traders are watching. And good morning to you. And it's a Fed day.
It's a Fed day, and I think it will be a non-event sort of Fed day. Personally, I think probably will obviously continue to jawbone higher rates, but I don't think any chance of pulling the trigger at this meeting, or in my opinion, really until next year at the earliest.
It's also a massive week for earnings coming in, and I know you're watching some big names. So what would be your top play on a stock off of earnings here?
Yeah, Caterpillar is one I absolutely don't like here. We had earnings come out yesterday on this, and they did beat, at least for this quarter, guided much lower. Obviously, they're tied to oil and commodities, which have had a bad run here. Cat trading at almost a 30 PE on a forward basis. That dividend payout ratio well over 100%. That's a little shaky as well. The implied volatility came down on this sharply post earnings, so I'm actually just buying some outright puts, the August 80 puts, the regular monthlies, looking for Cat to come back.
Come back. Okay, and you also have a play in Big Lots. This is a retail name for some bargain items there. Do you like this stock?
I actually kind of don't like the option prices in the August 52.5 puts. There was a big buyer there. Earnings coming out August 26th after August expiration. They came in and bought 1,000 of these over the past week or so. Implied volatility ran from 24 to 38. So I'm just selling that heightened implied volatility, hedging by buying some October 52.5 puts against it, looking for that to realign once that buyer goes away.
What do you think the options market is telling us about these big lot earnings then overall, Tim?
If it was in an earnings cycle, right, I would be avoiding the trade because obviously someone's expressing kind of an earnings opinion. That's a binary event. This is before earnings, so really unknown here, but I can hedge with something, basically take away almost all of my risk by buying something fairly valued, selling something expensive. That's the trade we always like to do, kind of day in, day out as traders.
Thank you, and have a good trading day.
You bet. Thanks, Ann.